Hi guys, today we are going to be adding fonts to our computer so we can use them in Cricut Design Space. So we're going to start off by first looking at a website that actually has some free fonts. If you go to thefont.com, there's all these fonts that you can use for personal use. So if you're not selling anything, you can definitely come in here and you can download the font, and then you can skip to the section in this video where I show you how to install the font that you download. Now, I have a membership for Creative Fabrica, which allows you to use files that you download from them for commercial reasons, because I do have my own shop and sell products. I'm in Creative Fabrica. I'm going to go in here and I'm going to type, let's say we want to look for a font for a school event. Now, right now, we do have a lot of trendy fonts, but I'm going to be using these varsity type fonts. Now, one of my recommendations is when you're looking for fonts, look for fonts that have bundles. So you have a lot of different options in one download. So this one's cute. It has stacked and outlined fonts. So let's open that up. Now in here, you want to test out that this is in fact the font that you want. So let's type, say, school, and it would show you in this bundle, these are the different fonts that you will receive once you hit the download button. So now we're going to come up here and we're going to hit download. This is now going to be saved in our downloads folder. On a Mac, you see this little circle up here. This is where all your downloads are. Or we can go to our Finder. And in Finder, you'll see here the college set. So now we want to double click that. And you will see all the different versions that are included in the bundle that we selected. Now on a Mac computer, if you double click, you will unzip the file. On a Windows computer, just hit extract all and you'll be able to receive them. Now we're going to select all the files, right click, and we want to open with font book. This is for a Mac computer. Now it's validating all the fonts and it's asking you if you want to install them, and you want to hit install. And you're going to do that for all the fonts that are in the package you downloaded. So now we're going to go into Design Space. So you're going to open Design Space, and let's say we're in a canvas. If you already had Design Space open, you will have to close it and open it again so it can be refreshed with the new fonts that you added to your computer's library. We're going to select text. Say we're going to do new font. A little larger. When you go to font, there's a drop down, and we're going to switch. You see you have 4 options. You have Cricut, you have System, Recent, and Bookmarked. We're going to go to System because the fonts are now in our system. If we don't remember what the fonts were named, you can go back to your downloads folder and you see that most of them start with college or varsity. So we go back in here and let's search college, and you will see the fonts that you uploaded. Here's one, and we'll change it. And now you can continue with your project. So that's how we upload a font on our computer in order to use it in Cricut Design Space. Use it in any program that uses the ability to use your system fonts. Thank you for stopping by, and make sure that you subscribe to the channel so you can keep up with some tips and tricks I will have added soon.